What if I told you retirement could slash your income by 50% overnight? No salary, no bonuses, just Social Security and whatever you've saved. This isn't a scare tactic. It's the reality for millions. Let's break down why this happens and how to stop it. Hi again. Retirees' income drops by 50% on average after leaving work. Why? Pensions are vanishing. Only 13% of private workers have them today, and Social Security replaces just 40% of pre-retirement income. Real-life example. Take Linda. She retired expecting $4,000 a month. Now she survives on $2,000. Her story is why it happens. No salary. Check immediate 50-70% income loss for most Americans. 2. Pensions are dying. In 1990, 35% of private workers had pensions. Today, just 13%. 3. Social Security isn't enough. Average benefit, $1,800 a month. For many, that's half their pre-retirement income. 4. Savings fall short. 50% of Americans have less than $50K saved. Nowhere near enough. How to fix it? Wait until age 70. Your checks grow 8% yearly. Example, 1-800-2400 month. 2. Build passive income. Rentals, dividends, or annuities replace lost cash flow. 3. Slash expenses. Downsize your home, cancel subscriptions, negotiate bills. 4. Work part-time. A 15-hour side hustle adds $1,200 month pre-tax. Don't become another statistic. Download our free retirement rescue guide, link below, to calculate your income gap and fix it in 3 steps. Smash subscribe, hit the bell, and let's make sure your retirement is